So good morning. I parked. There was a lot of cops. Don't want to risk it. I had a moment and it's gone. I really hope you guys enjoyed that intro. Sorry if I'm slurring my words. I have a cranker sore because I don't know how to fucking not murder my mouth when I brush my teeth. And now my mouth is in pain. So let's get right into it. So why am I making this video? Well, you see, when I was researching this exhaust specifically, it is not a cheap exhaust. It is around $2,200 to $2,600 for the Golf R and about $1,400 to $1,800 for the GTI. I was able to get it for a good price, which is around $1,400. And when you're spending that type of money, I'm pretty sure you're not gonna wanna spend that money without hearing what it sounds like at the bare minimum. And you see, there's this great guy. He made a video and he was able to kind of show the exhaust, but the problem is he's only one video. Not his fault. But of course, when you're buying something, you would always want to compare from different videos. They all have different sounds, different mics that are being used, and you want to be able to hear those tones and get a kind of idea of what you're paying for. And so there was none. I want to fill that gap. I want to be able to have you guys and girls listen to this exhaust, be able to make an educated decision and where your money is going to go and if it's worth it for you. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you guys the noise from the interior, the noise from the exterior, what it sounds like in idle, what it sounds like on a cold start, and so forth. And in the end, I'm going to be answering questions that I think you guys might have so I can kind of get around it. And I will also be showing you guys how to make it verbal in case you don't know like I didn't. Help you avoid having to look through all these forums and read. So with that out the way, let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to be doing is what it sounds like driving past. so now we're gonna get to the part where it shows what it sounds like in the interior. So I feel like it's important to note this. I do have the OBD11, and if you know what this does, is it allows you to get the Golf R speedometer. It allows you to turn off the audio for in sport mode and so forth. In sport mode, it does have it on. So I will be showing what it sounds like with the fake engine noise, because not everybody has this. This is $100. And on top of that, you have to pay to use the little add-ons. Fuck this, honestly, fuck this, not worth it. I will have a video about this though, because I need content. So yeah, let's get right into it. I just wanted to let you guys know that, to be as open with you guys as possible. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so you want to know how to make it pop and bang. So this is what you're going to do. Look at your center console, and what you're going to see is there is a button that says mode next to the hazard lights. So you're going to want to click modes. Of course, the car has to be turned on. And once you click mode, you're going to see it has 4 modes. You can be in sport, comfort, eco, or custom, does not matter. But what you're going to want to do is, for example, let's say you're in sport. You're going to want to hit comfort and sport. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And of course, it will reset every time you turn off the car. If you are in eco, it is going to be the same thing. Go to sport, comfort, sport, and that's it. So the second part of that is, so what you're gonna need to do, I just stuttered like 20 times. I'm not gonna show you guys that. So what you're gonna need to do is look at your RPMs, and when you hit about 3K to about 3,500 and let off of the gas, it will pop. If you wanna make it pop a lot, or continuously, just slightly let off of it like this, basically, and you will do it. Try not to be annoying with it, but hey, freedom. Yeah, let's get to the section where I will show you what it sounds like popping and banging with a loud one and just a moderate one. Please, I don't like to do this a lot, so I promise I'm not a bad neighbor.
FedEx truck?
Questions. What does it sound like in the interior, in my opinion? In my opinion, it sounds great. And what's great about this exhaust is when you're driving down the road, casually driving, it's quiet, in my opinion. It's pretty quiet with no downpipe. You don't really hear it in the cabin. but it's quiet. It sounds good. It sounds perfect. A second, and I mean the second you start stepping on it and you start hitting the high RPMs, your car will wake up. You will hear the car in a whole different way than what it was at low. And of course, that's obvious. Every car does that, but it's nice to be able to have a car that's not immediately loud off the rip from the interior, and then when you step on it, it's just fucking screaming at you. In terms of drone, in my opinion, there's really not much drone. It's so minimal, it's so small on the highway that, to be honest, when you do hear it, you kind of drown it out. You don't even notice that it's there. It doesn't ruin your conversations. You can still put music on and it won't seek into there. It will kind of be like an ODM plus exhaust. It sounds fucking perfect. And so no worries there. That was one thing I was very concerned about. So you don't even have to be concerned about that at all. Second question, how much does it cost and where to get it? All right, this is a very confusing part. When I was shopping for this exhaust, there was a lot of pages, or at least when I was researching, where they were charging just for the GTI one, so that'll be the dual tip. It was like $2,200, $2,600. Some went up to $3,000. Some wanted $1,800 before shipping and taxes. It was really annoying. So what I had to do is I had to contact the company themselves, and then I had to go out my way and talk to another company that would then sell me the exhaust after taxes and shipping and everything. They gave me a great discount from what everyone else was giving me. I recommend these people. I think they ship everywhere, but I'm not sure. But this company right here, 100% I would recommend to buy from them. They're super nice people. They helped me out with any question I had. They responded quickly. I'll put the link into the description on where to buy it. And if you do buy it, all I say is to let them know that I sent you. I get nothing for it, not sponsored anything. Just they're great people and they deserve your business more than, in my opinion, these other companies. How hard is it to install? So it was the first time installing an exhaust this big compared to a small one. And it was not hard at all, really easy. The instructions are really easy to understand. There is one part that's kind of wrong, but once you get there, it's kind of common sense on what to do. So there's no need to even like stress about it. It's simple. It's as easy as it comes. And so yeah, that's that question. So yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up. If you have any other questions that I didn't answer, just go ahead and send them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching and being patient with the long intro. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. And thank you.